Moses carefully constructed the tabernacle, and the instructions he had received on Mount Sinai were diligently implemented. The biblical text enumerates the following: the tabernacle with its different fabrics, curtains, and parts, the ark, the table for the showbread, the lampstand, the altar of incense, the altar of burnt offering, the basin for washing, the courtyard, and the material used for the tabernacle. Exodus 39 continues with the descriptions of the ephod, breastplate, and other priestly garment pieces. The tabernacle's services were visual object lessons of the gospel, demonstrating God's entire plan of redemption. The various ceremonies depicted how God abhors and deals with sin, how he saves repentant people, what is the fate of the wicked, and how he will secure a glorious future that will be without evil. Two different but closely related services were performed in the sanctuary during the year, the daily and the yearly. The two-phase ministry illustrated how God treats sin and saves sinners. Through the daily sanctuary services, God assured those who repented that he forgave their sins and graciously offered them salvation. To receive this gift of salvation, a sacrifice had to be made, and these sacrifices pointed to the death of the Messiah, whose blood cleanses us from all the sin. Confession of sin and accepting the robe of Christ's righteousness was at the center of the gift. In this way, the repentant sinner was assured forgiveness and could rejoice in salvation. The yearly service, performed on the Day of the Atonement, demonstrated how God eradicates sin, solves the sin problem, and secures the sinless future. Presently, Christ's twofold ministry in the heavenly sanctuary is another expression of God's work for us, and he will bring the final solution to the problem of evil. The sanctuary was a place for worshiping God, praising him, and giving thanks. Worship is about maintaining one's relationship with God, who invites believers into that fellowship. Have you entered into that fellowship with God today?